Stop wasting money on store-bought nasty salsa. Make it yourself, authentic Mexican style. Hello again everybody, Funky Cole Medina DIY back again with another video. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing, smash the like button, share the video, it really would help me out. In this video we're going to make boiled green salsa. I had another video where I showed you how to make roasted green salsa. In this one we're just going to boil it. Same ingredients as used before, but different flavor. Now let's get to the ingredients. We have half of a bunch of cilantro, half the juice of a lime. We're going to use 5 tomatillos, 1 medium onion. This is a quarter of an onion of a very large one, so I'm just going to use this as a medium onion. We got 3 jalapeños, 5 serrano peppers, 3 garlic cloves. For the seasonings, I'm going to use salt, pepper, smoke paprika, and ground cumin. I'll leave the exact measurements down below in the description box. Now let me get all these ingredients together and I'll be right back. While you're getting your ingredients together, get yourself 6 cups of water, put it in a pot, and set it to boil. Now remember from my last video on how to make roasted green salsa, check your tomatillo to make sure there's not a hole in it. That lets you know that there's a worm inside, so don't get that one. And as far as the peel, just peel it back, twist it off, there you go, and just rinse them off. Alright, now let's go ahead and put our ingredients in the boiling water. We're going to put the peppers, the onions, and the serrano peppers first. They take a little longer. We're not going to put the tomatillos first because they don't take too long, and if they overcook, they get bitter. So we're going to cook these for a few minutes and then put our tomatillos inside. Don't forget your garlic. You don't have to peel them if you don't want to. Just throw everything in there. And put a little bit of salt just to give the water a little bit of flavor. Give your peppers just a little bit of a stir once they start changing colors, like this serrano. But we're going to go ahead and put our tomatillos inside so they can start cooking. Now we got a couple here, one's bigger and one's smaller. I would suggest putting the bigger one first. They don't take too long to cook. If you put the smaller ones in, they'll cook faster than the big ones and they'll start to get bitter. So let's do the big ones first. We'll let those cook for about 1 minute and then put the other ones in. We're going to go ahead and put our other tomatillos inside. Now we're not going to put the cilantro in here. We're going to wait till we finish blending everything up and then put that at the end. Now once your tomatillos get this color right here, those are done. So I'm going to put those aside. Once they're done cooking, just take them out of the pot, put them in a bowl so they can hang out for a little bit. Don't ever use regular water for your salsas. If that's all you got, then use it. But if you got this option here to use the water from your salsa if you boil it, definitely use that. Now let's go ahead and get our vegetables in the blender. You can let them cool down a little bit longer. That way you can handle them. All you got to do is just take off the stem from the peppers, just like that, and just put them in the blender. Remember what I told you in my spicy red hot salsa? Don't throw away that water. Put it in your blender. That was probably maybe about a quarter cup's worth. So if we need more, we always have the pot full of that boiling water that we use, so we can use that if we want it to be a little bit more watery. Now don't forget your seasonings. Don't forget your lime. Half of a lime. And I'm just going to put a little bit more water. And don't forget your cilantro. I'm going to use half of the half that I had in the beginning, and I'll show you what I'll do with the other half. Let's go ahead and put it on the blender and blend this up. Now with the cilantro, I'm just going to chop it up. And then I'm going to mix it into the salsa after we blend it. Alright, so I'm just going to get the cilantro, just put it on top, and then we'll mix it in. There it is, guys. We're all done. Let's go ahead and try it out. Excellent salsa. It's not too spicy. All the flavors from the fresh vegetables stand out. The lime, the cilantro, the onion, all the little spices we put in there. Fantastic. I'll leave you 2 links at the end of this video, how to make the homemade chips and a dish that goes great with this green salsa. No more having to buy store-bought salsa. You don't know what's in it. You make this yourself. It's fantastic, 100 times better than the store. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing, smash the like button, share the video. It would really help me out. Have a great day, guys. See you on the next video.